Welcome to this quick overview of Phytech Australia's advanced tree felling training. This is nationally accredited chainsaw training. Here are just some of the things that we go through in this course. How to fell trees against their lean. How to fell dead trees. Some of the specific things to know when felling large and small trees. Felling hung up trees. Cross-cutting overhung logs. Cross-cutting suspended logs. Cross-cutting under tension. Butting off the root plate, tree driving, and much, much more. Now, when you train with Phytech Australia, you're guaranteed of top quality equipment. We've just purchased a whole raft of new equipment in 2012, so you'll be using top quality gear through your training. And we've got a very, very experienced trainer. He's had 31 years experience in all aspects of forestry. He's a terrific trainer and mentor, and he's a great bloke to boot. So if you want to advance your training in chainsaw usage, then make contact with Phytech Australia today. You can call us, you can email us, or you can drop us a line on our website. We look forward to making contact with you and helping you through your advanced chainsaw training.